Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f081f on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First is you have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and you'll find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters, and here you'll find Windows Update with a run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now what this process will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. For the next method is make a right click at the start button and select File Explorer in the list of options. Now you have to click on this PC, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down and look for the Windows folder, this one, double click, and then scroll down and you need to find the software distribution folder, this one, double click, and then delete everything from here. So press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Now this will take a while because there are a lot of items in here, so you just need to wait for that in your Windows. And for the next method is we need to now it's done. And for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now under the best match, you need to click on it. Scroll down to the W section. And you'll find the Windows Update service. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic service status. If it is not running on your case, click on the Start button. And if it is already running, click on Stop. Click on Start to restart the service. Then you have to click on Apply and click on OK. Close this window. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, type this command, sfc /scan now. It's sfc /scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair fix any system corrupted files. So what we can do while the process is going on is we just need to wait for this in a while so that we can run the next command next to it, okay? Now let's type in here the second command. It's DISM /online /clean up dash image /restore health. It's DISM /online /cleanup dash image /restore health, hit enter. So while the process is going on is you should not close the window, as this will repair your Windows image. So what you can do, you just need to wait for the process to be completed. And once this is successful and 100% completed, close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.